I literally don't know what I'm doing, and I'm just trying my best, honestly, in this world. Hey everyone. So we've been in quarantine for about 4 months now, and if I'm being honest with you, I've seriously contemplated shaving my head like 5 times. Part of it is having a mental breakdown. Other part of it is just hating how dry my hair is, and being sick and tired of like how bad it is because of all the bleach and like hair dye that I've put in it in the past 6 years. So I have seriously contemplated shaving my head, and honestly, I don't have the face for it. I have a big forehead. I'm going to look like Avatar, the Last Airbender. So one night I bought a bunch of wig stuff just in case I did shave my head and I looked like a cue ball. So today we are going to be revamping a synthetic wig that I got from Amazon. Here she is. She is a Charisma wig, 22 inches, I think. And I got her for about like $30. So I've never had a wig before, so I don't know really the difference in quality, but like it's very realistic. Like this is synthetic, but I think it looks like real hair. I'm gonna put her on real quick. I've named her Katara because it's like long and flowy, and I think it's really cute. Like it's... So this is 22 inches and I am 60 inches. So this is pretty much a third of my height. It's way too long. So I'm planning on cutting it to up to here. Like I don't want it too long, but I also don't want it too short. I also plan on plucking the hairline. It's a little too thin to look natural. My goal is to make it seem like I'm not wearing a wig.
All right, so I'm pretty much just thickening the hairline and extending it back as much as I possibly can. For me, the tweezers weren't working super great. I essentially just use them as a way to section hair so I could physically pluck them out myself with my bare hands. This took me about like 30 minutes to do. It didn't take very long at all, and I'm sure once you get used to it, it becomes really easy.
So as you can see, I've thickened the hairline a little bit. So according to the videos I've watched, it makes it more realistic if you extend the hairline a little bit more. It was a little bit shorter than this. This is a front lace. So I've extended it back as much as the front lace would allow. So I don't own a mannequin head or a wig head or anything. I figured cutting it while I was wearing it would be the easiest thing for me to do. Like I said, I'm gonna be cutting it up to here, probably just, ooh, what if I accidentally cut my own hair? Hold on, let me put my hair up. First I'm gonna brush it. I kind of don't want to cut it because it's just so pretty, but I look like Lilo from Lilo and Stitch in the sense that I look like I'm a 10-year-old girl with long ass hair. Like I look like a child. I don't look like I'm wearing the wig. The wig looks like it's wearing me. So we're just gonna fix that. I think this is a good length to start off. I don't want to cut off too much just in case I mess up. Wish me luck. I'm using professional hair scissors. Ooh. Okay, it looks better already. I don't think so, actually. So I'm thinking about cutting it just a little bit shorter, probably right here. It's just gonna get shorter and shorter. Here's fine. Ooh, and I almost cut my fingers. I am not a professional hair stylist. I know that I say that in like most of my videos because I'm not, because facts. But don't, like, ooh, okay, we've got layers then. But like, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so I actually don't even know what I'm doing sometimes when I do these hair tutorials. Ooh. So I think that's a good length. It's looking a little jagged, honestly. It looks like I just butchered it, which I did. I that's not inaccurate to say. So I'm sweating in this wig. I'm gonna try to taper it a little bit and just, I'm just going into sections and just blending it all together. So I'm gonna take this piece and kind of let it, so just cut it so it's not super jagged. So I'm gonna go back to this. See how it's kind of all over the place? I'm just gonna cut it so it's kind of like a gradient and it kind of blends together. I literally don't know what I'm doing, and I'm just trying my best, honestly, in this world. So I'm pretty much done. I didn't show this on camera because I did this like 2 weeks ago, but I've also plucked some of the hairline so it looks a little bit more natural. I think now is the time to cut the lace. I am kind of nervous about that. Be right back, I guess. So this is pretty much the end result. I put concealer on the hairline to match my skin tone, but I don't know how realistic it looks. I haven't glued it down, but I have pinned it back just because like I don't like having hair in my face. Yeah, let me know what you think about it. Have a good one. I'm gonna go watch Bob's Burgers, and I'll see you next time.